What's going on, guys? We just wrapped up a tank here in the shop. Probably the worst tank I think I've ever done. This black Harley tank behind me was shipped into us. It had a nice taco crease going right down the side. Typical of what you would find if a bike was on a trailer being, towed somewhere and the bike tips over and hits that metal guardrail in the side of the trailer. They can make some nasty dents, and so far this is probably the worst one I think I've ever done. Luckily, turned out really good. I'm going to show you guys the before and after. Obviously, you'll get to see the repair taking place, taking shape and everything. But man, I cannot stress enough how, if you've been looking at my YouTube videos and you found the red Harley tank, that's the one I get the most views on and the most comments on. Pretty sure this one was worse than that. And it may not be as impressive looking, but definitely harder to fix than that one was. So anyway, we'll take you over, show you the damage, and appreciate you sticking around and checking out this video. Looking at the damage with our PDR light, you can see the extent here. Not only does it have a deep crease, but it's got 6 individual deep dents perfectly in a row, and you can see the tank's folded in right there. Really deep, really sharp. This is another vantage point. We actually have the tank rotated over on its side, and this is how we're going to repair the dent. It gives us the best body position to be able to work on it comfortably. And now you can really see how deep those gouges are. You can see those scratches in the paint. It's just nasty. We have a heat gun blowing steady heat on the tank. That helps preserve the paint as we're pushing it back out, helps to keep it from cracking. We're inside the tank now with our tools, reshaping the metal from the inside, applying pressure and reforming the metal. Now we have different diameter tips that we'll change in and out of, using softer tips, more pointed tips, to try and iron this crease out and get it all back smooth like it never happened before. Now, as you're pushing out the dent, sometimes you get high spots that do pop up. That's where we take a blending hammer like you're seeing here, and we actually tap those crowns back down. In a second, you'll see us using a knockdown as well that has a finer tip on it to get some of those sharper little highs. All right, so this one is pretty tough. We've made some progress. We've definitely got the metal out. It's stitched up a good bit, so we're gonna have to clean that up. I'm a little concerned about all those scratches. I'm not sure that those are gonna sand and polish out. Some of them look pretty deep. I know Harley's got a lot of clear on them, but I don't know. Kind of iffy as far as that goes. We're gonna keep fine tuning this and just go until we can't make it any better. We're in the home stretch. You can see that we've gotten most of the crease out. There's a lot of texture and little pits and stuff that we still have to work out, and of course we still have the scratches to contend with, so we're going to make a few more passes across it, and we've gotten it now to this point where it's pretty smooth. There's a few little pits that we still have to work out, but you can just see that as we go across it multiple times, we just refine the repair until it gets smoother and smoother. Now it's time to try and deal with these scratches. Now, as I said, they're deep, but Harley does have a lot of clear on them. So we're gonna make multiple passes with 2000 grit sandpaper, try to get below those scratches, and then come back with our buffer and some polish and see if we can polish this thing back to a mirror finish and see how it turns out. Well, I'm happy to say the repair turned out great. I know this customer is going to be absolutely blown away with these results. Guys, if you have a dent on your gas tank or fender and you'd like to reach us, you can find us online at motorcycledents.com. And like I said, I really appreciate you taking the time to check out this video, and we will see you again on the next one.